Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So my name is Jacob. This is going to be another episode of the Honest Reviews. Now today I have the silver EXL right here, and we're going to go ahead and be testing out these leather cleaner as well as this leather protection. And there goes my phone. Before we get started with this video, I want to go ahead and say if you guys have anything that you want me to actually review, any detailing kind of products or anything like that as far as car stuff goes, go ahead and put it in the comments below. I'll go ahead and check it out. Make sure you tell me where to get it and how much it is. That way I can go ahead and buy it, so I can go ahead and put a review out for you so you can go ahead and check it out, an honest review, before you actually purchase it yourself. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how dirty the interior is with the leather. This is the EXL, so this is the leather package, so we're gonna go ahead and check it out. Alright guys, so we have this leather steering wheel right here. Looks pretty bad, pretty nice and old and used up basically. And then we have the seats, so we're gonna go ahead and test it on the seat right here as well as the steering wheel. I'm gonna go ahead and probably just do this portion right here and then leave that portion so you guys can go ahead and see the difference, as well as I'll go ahead and do part of the seat so you guys can go ahead and see the difference as well. I don't have any tape, so I'm just gonna have to try to eyeball it. Alright guys, so to start off, we have it set up right here. We're gonna go ahead and do just from this cut right here. So we're gonna do this section right here, and we're gonna go ahead and use the leather cleaner with the nice brush right here. So we're gonna go ahead and scrub it down, and then we're gonna go ahead and apply the leather protection serum with the nice little pad right here. Okay, so with it nice and scrubbed, I'm gonna go ahead and just grab a little microfiber, go ahead and clean the residue around it. And already, just with the cleaner, you can go ahead and actually definitely see the difference right here from this one being done, from this side not being done. So now we're gonna go ahead, after it's nice and dry, good to go, after we just wiped it with the microfiber, we go ahead and apply the nice conditioner and protection to the actual leather right here. Here we go, just a little amount. There you have it. Now we're gonna go ahead and just let it sit for a little bit. That way, if we have any of that nice shine, you know, as soon as you put it on, it looks all beautiful and everything. We'll go ahead and let it sit for a couple minutes to actually show you guys the actual real result. Now with this one, I was recommended to actually just go ahead and let it sit a little bit, air dry, so that way it's dry to the touch and it actually settles in and it cures. Alright guys, so this is what we have. It's dry to the touch. It looks really good. It was let to set and cure in, and it just looks really good overall compared to the side that's not done. It looks like it did bring back a lot of this nice dark black, and it took away a lot of this fadiness and whatnot. But you can go ahead and tell, you know, some of the stuff is just too far gone. But it did do a really good job for the task that was given. So now we're gonna go ahead and do the seat. Alright guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and touch up the seat right here, so that way we can get some nice protection on and try to prevent any more cracking or scratches or anything like that. Alright guys, so we're just gonna go ahead and do from this point down right here, and we're just gonna go ahead and do the same process as we did with the steering wheel. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and just spray it to the surface right here, and just go ahead and get it in there and try to clean this up. Okay, so now that's nice and scrubbed in, we're gonna go ahead and wipe off the residue with the microfiber. Okay, so now that that's nice and clean and dried up right here, no extra residue, we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing, apply to the pad, and I'm gonna go ahead and rub it in. Okay, same thing like the steering wheel, we're gonna go ahead and let it sit for a little bit, let it cure in, and then I'm gonna come back to you guys. After that, we're gonna go ahead and do the honest review. Alright guys, so with it cured in, this is the result that we got. So again, this is the side that's not done, and this is the side that is done. Now you can go ahead and see a noticeably difference. It looks really good, and honestly, compared to a lot of those wipes that you can buy, you know, the ones for the leather, I think this is actually worth the extra couple bucks. And I was told that it's supposed to be a lot longer protection basically with this one, because they do offer a spray bottle version, but they said that this one, the protection one, is actually the one that's gonna last and sit longer. So you can go ahead and see it is looking really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue doing the rest of the car. So there you have it. That's just a short, honest review as always. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the car. I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and like this video if you enjoyed it, and go ahead and consider subscribing if you're not yet subscribed. See you guys in the next one.